Hello everyone. Today we are going to focus on creating heat maps. Heat maps allow you to visualize how your users interact with your site's pages. They highlight their area of interest as well as the less visible zones. In the left menu, I choose the heat map option in the visitor section. I click on create a new map. In the form, you can assign a label to the map. The page address corresponds to the URL. The capture of the URL represents the address used for the screenshot. It may differ from the URL for capturing interactions. For example, if a password is required to access a secure area, it is possible to add parameters in the query string to take the screenshot without requiring authentication. Two rules can be applied. The URL must contain a specific string of characters. The URL must exactly match the defined address. The option ignore the query string. If enabling the query string of the URL for capturing interactions will be ignored during the page verification. The multiple tracking option allows recording interactions even if several interaction capture pages are identical or share common detection parameters. It is generally recommended to disable this option. The state field allows enabling or disabling the capture of interactions. The diagnostic button allows you to check that the heat map captures interactions. To view the map, just click on the icon representing an eye. Once the map is displayed, you can choose to see interactions according to devices like smartphone, tablet, computer with a low or high resolution screen. Percentages allow for reducing the display of screenshots. In the list of heat maps, you can reset the heat maps. The screen will be captured again and the data reset. You can also modify or delete it. If you want more videos like this, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to this account.